How to track an Ulta Beauty order with email and number. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow up in order to do so, and we should be able to do it very easily. So let's just get started. We can start by visiting the Ulta Beauty website and we can scroll directly to the bottom of the page to the footer section. And once we are here, we can cut for a section called Order Status. Otherwise, click on this option called Track and Order and open it up. Once we open it up, we'll be finding this box that we can enter up our details. So first of all, we need to provide in our email address that we used when we placed an order. And we just need to provide in the order number right below it from our confirmation email. Once you provide it up, we can click on this option called check, and we'll be seeing our order details such as processing, shipped, delivered, and tracking number, and many more if shipped. After that, you can confirm it up through the order confirmation email as well, and you will be getting a tracking link if your order is shipped that we can click on and directly look out for order status that way as well. But manually, if you want to do it without even logging in, this is the way you should be able to do it. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.